Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Again, my name is Pauline, checking in from my crafty hut. I just want to show you all a couple of the things I've been working on over the past couple days. So I thought I'd get this time in before my grandkids get here because they are not going to let me work. They love my computer. So here we So these are a few of the gifts that I've been working on. This one here, all Dollar Tree items. So I put that one together. This one here, another Dollar Tree items. And I put in here, I don't know if you can see it, a bottle with some peppermints. Um, that bottle came from Walmart. I bought them about a year ago. I have a lot of those. So I front wrap this, but I don't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna take the paper off and just do a cellophane wrap. So yeah, so that's another concept of the basket. It's normal. Another one here is a small gift for a man. Right here with the all Dollar Tree items, except I can never remember the name of this thing here. The shower cup, whatever. That came from Dollar General. Put a piece of black cardboard back here. But yeah, small gift for a man. One, Dollar Tree items. Except this, it's a tumbler in there that came from Hobby Lobby. Here we go. We have another one. Mostly Dollar Tree. The candle came from Dollar General. Um, the tumbler came from Hobby Lobby. Yeah. Up here another one. Let's see, with the makeup, all Dollar Tree items except the candle. Candle came from Dollar General. Yeah. Another one, small one. This is just two items, the little soup bowl and the body wash. You know, let me show you my last one. Uh, it's together. This is one of those blankets from Dollar General. I got a few of those the other day for I think it was for $1 and some change. I was in Tampa and stopped by a Dollar General over there before I headed on back to my area. And there they were. They had about 6 or 8 of these. So I got those. So yeah, so hopefully somebody would like this. Have fix that for one of the kids. So yeah, so y'all, that's just a couple of the baskets that I've been working on. I have a box and a storage container. I have my closet in the other room uh, filled. So I hope to go out sometime this weekend and try and get them, some of them sold. So y'all wish me luck, pray for me that I have success. So even if I sell just one or two, it will encourage me to go ahead and continue. So everyone have a good day. I hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will subscribe. If you have subscribed, I thank you. I appreciate you. I support you. And God bless.